When the personal computer arrived, you needed to know IBM from Apple. Different companies, different machines, different strengths. AI is the same. There is no single thing called the AI. There are about a dozen serious companies, each doing different things well. Knowing who they are gives you the advantage of choosing the right tool for the right job. Five major players you should know. OpenAI, the company that started the modern wave. Their product is ChatGPT, easiest for beginners, most accessible, built into Microsoft Office through their Copilot partnership. Anthropic, founded by former OpenAI researchers focused on safety and reliability. Their product is Claude, considered the strongest AI for serious professional work. The AI inside Agent Midas is Claude. Google has been working on AI longer than almost anyone. Their product is Gemini, integrated across Gmail, Docs, Search, and Photos, strong on images and video. Meta owns Facebook and Instagram. Their AI is called Llama, and it is open source. You can run it yourself. The bet is that open beats closed in the long run. XAI, Elon Musk's company. Their product is Grok, strong on real-time current events because of integration with X. Beyond these five, watch for DeepSeek from China. High capability at dramatically lower cost. Mistral from France for privacy. Kimi for extremely long documents. Cohere for enterprise business use. The simple rule, starting out, ChatGPT or Claude. ChatGPT is easier. Claude is better for serious work. Pick one, learn it well, occasionally compare to others. Most people settle on one or two within a few weeks. Agent Midas uses Claude as its primary AI through what we call OpenClaw orchestration. Different specialized agents use different models for different jobs. You don't think about which AI is which. The platform routes the right model to the right task automatically. In the next lesson, we demystify how AI actually works.